Dear Honorable Minister, NNAMDIKANU Dora, congratulatory message. We refer to the above subject matter and wish to extend our message of congratulations to your good office on behalf of the board, management, and staff of the Island Report Kano. Sir, your traveling at the NNAMDIKANU Dora is the further testimony of the confirmation that the policies and performance you have brought to bear on the office of the Honorable Minister of the Federal Republic is indeed people-oriented, with a resultant positive impact on the polity. We at Dala Island Report are not surprised when we heard your name announced as NNAMDIKANU Dora, for it was like the parable of the round peg being inserted into a round hole. Sir, we can also attest to your humility, empathy, forthrightness, and hard work, and all traits that are only found in great leaders of men are in you, sir. Your career path has thrown you up as yet another possible option for the highest offices in the country, our great country, sir. You were at one time you were at one time a River State Party Secretary, and that was the DPN. You were a Speaker in River State, House of Assembly twice. You were the Executive Governor of River State twice, and now twice a Minister of Transportation, the longest serving minister in that role for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Hey. Looking at all the above, one cannot help but feel astounded by the humongous achievements under your belt, sir. We have every reason to thank and praise Allah for you on your behalf and for making us your partners in the delivery of Inland Report, the Dala Inland Report Kano in northwestern Nigeria, and indeed all the others.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.